welcome back to my channel, me, Vasu. This year I have done a lot of subscriptions. One you already know, that was a BoxyCharm, and this is another subscription which I have done which is called Ipsy, and I had to pay only $12 for this. This also has all the beauty items in it, but all size, like the sample size product. So without any delay, let's get into the video and see what I received in my Ipsy. This is my first subscription for Ipsy, which is in the month of love. So it is all of love, love and lots of love. All you need is love and maybe a little lipstick too. Treat yourself to whatever brings you joy. Really, this is a really wonderful statement that they have given here, and I really suggest you to indulge yourself in something that gives you joy, happiness, and something that you love. Coming back to this, Beauty Splurges extra whipped cream glossy red nails. You deserve it all. Yes, every woman deserves this. Get into this month's theme at ipsy.com. So signed, sealed, delivered. These 5 glam bag products valued at worth $50 are all yours. They have given me this and this, so red and lots of love, and the lips are so nice on this. Made with love and sealed with a kiss. I will store all my lipsticks in this bag from today. There are a lot of items in this. I will take and read one after another for you. First one is a Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. Whether it's because of late nights, early mornings, or just life, dark circles happen. This is a lightweight under eye cream, is packed with hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture, plus chamomile, cucumber and aloe vera to majorly hydrate while brightening and relieving puffiness. So this is, I think I have so many eye creams now, and description that they have given is very much convincing to use this eye cream. The second item in my Ipsy bag is Male Beauty Sun Kissed Blush Single in Sundown. Okay, you know that beautiful golden hour glow your skin gets during sunset. This blush helps you recreate the same effect no matter the time of the day or year. The ultra flattering matte rose shade warms up your skin in just few sweeps. Tip: use me on your lids. This smooth blendable powder doubles as gorgeous as eyeshadow too. Let's see how it is. Natural and a light pink shade is there, if you can see here. The next item is so cute. This is a eyeshadow duo, which is Love You First Stunning Eyeshadow Duo. Nice purple shade. I think this is going to match to my shirt as well today. Purple eye makeup is having a moment, which is why we are obsessed with this plum and lilac eyeshadow duo. Both the matte and shimmer powder shades are ultra pigmented, highly blendable, and made without any questions on the ingredients like parabens or talc. Tip: tap the shimmery shade on your inner corners and illuminate your eye areas. So very pigmented. It actually very much matches to my shirt as well, and let me tap it on the shimmer side. I will definitely do a eyeshadow look with this duo, and then we'll see how it comes out. I mean, actually, to be frank, I'm really loving these shades, and having this duo in one box is very much, it makes easy to apply, and I don't even need to go and run through what shades I should match, and also this is very, very, very nice. Next one is an eye contour brush. With your eyeshadow's new friend, this lightweight, easy to use makeup brush has fluffy bristles that are perfectly designed for blending and buffing your shadows like a pro. I will use this brush and these eyeshadows, and will do it in my next video. The fifth product is the product of my choice, where I selected a lipstick from NARS, Power Made Lip Pigment in a Star Woman. Every woman is a star woman. This full coverage liquid lipstick is an award winner for good reason. This super moisturizing fluid formula goes on weightless and dries down to a smudge proof matte finish that lasts for hours. I see all the products that I have in my Ipsy bag today is something that I can create a very good look with all these items. In my next video, I will try to create a look with all my Ipsy bag items. So this is how my red NARS lipstick is. I don't know why I always prefer to pinks and reds. I really wanted to try some nudes as well, but I'm not sure when I will do that. This is a very nice red and it's good. I don't want to waste most of it now, so I'll keep it for my next video. And as my Ipsy joining bonus subscription, I received this palette as well. So this is the Space Case Cosmetics, and let's see how it is. These are all the brown shades and they're very shimmer as well. So I will try all these. This palette got angry because I was not showing their shades on my hand. So see, this is this is how the brown shade is and how pigmented it is. If you like this video, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Me, Vasu.